Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oza Korea. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. It's free. Believe me, it's free. When I say it's free, it's free. I like free stuff, okay guys? Go ahead and subscribe, please. Today's video is going to be a drugstore makeup tutorial. All that you see here is drugstore, except one item. But everything else is drugstore, and you can find it at Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, Target, even Five Below. If you want to see me how I create this smoky, glittery, dramatic look that I have on, just continue watching. We're using this moisturizer from Garnier Skin Active, and it's the Dry Skin Moisture Rescue. It's really good, honestly. Eyelid primer, I'm going to be using my regular concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in color 20 Sand. Honestly, I don't really have many drugstore products. Well, not palettes. I really don't have palettes. So I had to go out and buy some palettes. Buy this palette from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer, I'm going to be using that white shadow base. We're going to use this light brown shade right here as our transition color. We're going to use number 10. They have numbers in the back. And we're going to use this on the crease. We're going to go ahead and pack the color. And then after we're done packing, we're going to go ahead and blend. So now we're gonna go in with shade number with shade number 3, which is that red burgundy shade. Focus it on the outer corner and bring it in towards the crease. My neighbors are gonna be like, what the fuck is wrong with this girl? Why is she sitting in the window? And then we're gonna go ahead and start doing circle motions to blend out that red color. Now we're gonna go ahead and use number 5, which is that dark brown shade. We're gonna focus that into the outer corner and bring it in to the crease. It's a clean brush, it has no product. We're gonna go ahead and blend all those colors together, doing circle motions with a very light-handed, and start blending them out. We're gonna use that burgundy shimmery brown. It's like a burgundy shimmery color. 9, it's this color. It's kind of shimmery. We're gonna go ahead and intensify it, putting some setting spray. Oh crap, it's crap. We're gonna go ahead and tap it onto the lid. As you see, we did not cut the crease. They're from Revlon. They're the Photo Ready Eye Art, and they're in the shade, what shade are they? Topaz Twinkle and Peach Primes. They're glitter, so if you have a peach glitter, a peachy one, a glitter one, perfect. They don't really have to be from Revlon, but I got them from Revlon a long time ago. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of orange, put it away. We're gonna go ahead and use the bronzy one. Hi, I'm making a mess today. I've never actually filmed out of my desk. Well, I take that back. It is a cut crease. Apparently. ¿Ves? Ni siquiera sé qué estoy haciendo yo. Pero estoy haciendo tutorials, ¿verdad? We're gonna go back into that palette using that dark brown shade, number 5, and using a small, precise pencil. It's the Morphe E18. We're gonna focus that on to the outer corner. Darken it up a little bit more. Whatever we have left, we're gonna bring it onto the crease. Use this eyeliner from NYX, and it's their liquid liner. It looks like this. Looks like this. We're not gonna do a wing because we already have the glitter, so we don't want to be more dramatic, right? You can if you want to be that dramatic. So you do you, girl. You do you. We're just gonna We're gonna put that line really close to the lash line. We're gonna go ahead and put some mascara. We're gonna use this telescopic mascara from L'Oreal, and it's their blackest black. Okay, so I'm done with this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and be back once I'm done with the other eye, and we can go ahead and finish the rest of the face and put on lashes. So both eyes are done right now. And we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face. We'll come back to the lashes. As primer, I only have this one right now. It's the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Primer. It's this one right here. I honestly haven't used it in a while. Oh, it has a bit though. We're gonna grab this much and then put it on our T-zone, our chin, forehead, and start blending it out. Now this primer is like a silicone base, so it's pretty thick. I don't remember how good it is because I haven't used it for a while, so we'll see how it works with our foundation. Let me get some coffee. Our foundation, we're going to be using this new Maybelline stick foundation. It's the Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick, and it looks like this. And I am in shade Classic Ivory 120. And we're going to go ahead and put it on our face. It might be a little too light. It works. I know it's a little too light for me. Trust me, I know. You know what? I don't like this foundation. I'm gonna fix it. But I'm gonna use the Maybelline Liquid Mousse foundation. It looks very textury right around my cheeks. It might be the primer. That was the only drugstore primer that I had. It might be a little light. I'm very... Oh my god. We all make that mistake, okay guys? We all make a mistake of getting a white ass foundation. And we're using that same concealer that we did to prime our eyes. I totally forgot to get a powder from the drugstore, so I am so sorry, but the one that I am going to be using is the RCMA translucent powder. This is a 3 ounce. I believe the bottle itself was like $12, so it's very affordable. It's not from the drugstore, so you cannot find it in any drugstore. You would have to download it. You would have to actually go. You would actually have to go online and order it and have it shipped to your house. So yes, that's the only downside. Too much setting powder. I don't have one. I'm so sorry, guys. I totally forgot to get one. Once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and contour. Oh wait. We're gonna use the contour palette from Wet n Wild. It's the Dulce. I was gonna talk French. It's a Dulce de Leche, but it's actually Dulce de Leche. Yes, I'm sorry. I like to say Dolce Gabbana, but it's not Dolce, it's Dulce. So, yes, it's my first time using this palette, so I'm excited. I've heard really good things about it. Face, we're having a brush from Morphe. It's the M401. We're contouring, not bronzering. We're gonna use a Master Fix by Maybelline. It's this one right here. Si no te bañas, it's because you're not doing it right, okay? Okay. So actually it looks way better now. Believe it or not, even though people say setting sprays are just water, they're not just water. That water does miracles to your face. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and do our highlight. Now we're gonna use this highlight from Wet n Wild. Is everything from Wet n Wild, guys? I think it is, except the foundations and concealer. But this highlight from Wet n Wild, and then the color Mega Glow. You know, our brush from Morphe M510. Okay, I see you. I mean, it's a pretty highlight. You just have to build it up to get the pop-in that you want. I applied black eyeliner on my waterline. We're gonna go ahead and use that dark brown shade from that palette and the transition color on our waterline. The light shade, the shimmery light shade, which is number what's the number? Number 7? Yeah, number 3. Number 3. That's gonna be your inner corner highlight. Where you going? Mascara. We're gonna put mascara on our bottom lashes and put on our falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay. So the lip combo that I was using, I used the lip liner from NYX, and it's in the color Never. And I used the lipstick from Maybelline. It's the 650 Nude Embrace. It looks like this. And for my lip gloss, I used it's the what is it? The lip gloss from MAC in shade, I think it's don't know. I think it's Bear. I can't remember. Lashes, they are the wispy lashes from Ardell. So they're the double wispy lashes from Ardell. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys given me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Look, Grandpa's going. Be like, bye, Grandpa. Bye, Grandpa. Mi amor. I love you. Let Mama finish her other eye, okay? We're back with coffee. Coffee and pearl, right, bro? It's actually pretty good.